Are you a lover of slimy okra soup, or you want to know how to cook a slimy okra soup? Then this video is for you. To your pot, add your proteins, your meat, stockfish, season with pepper, salt, and season powder. Then go in with the fish, your fresh fish or your dry fish, whichever one you want. Add your pepper, add salt, and season. Then stir it and cover to cook. To your blender, add your sliced okra and blend it. This is where the sliminess comes from. Blend to smooth. The meat is ready. Go in with your palm oil. Pour in the palm oil. Then stir and carve. Now it's boiling. Go in with your ogbono for that thickness and more slimy if you are a lover of slimy soup. Then go in with your crayfish. Stir and cover to boil. Yeah, I added dried periwinkle. You can add fresh one if you have. Added shrimps and then turn. The food is already appetizing already. As it's boiling, go in with the blended okra. Turn it. Stir till well combined. While it's boiling, go in with the fish. Sorry, I removed the fish when the meat was already done. I removed the fish. Add salt for taste. Add season powder. Then stir. Look at the sliminess. This is actually what we are looking for. Then go in with your diced okra, sliced okra, so that people will know that it's really okra soup that you cooked. Are you seeing the thickness and the sliminess? That is what we want. Go in with your uziza leaf. I added dried uziza leaf. You can add fresh one if you have. Then stir and the soup is ready. To another pot, I added water allowed to boil. Then pour in my potato, flour, stir. Then add water, cover to cook. It's done. I added oil for smoothness and to take away the stickiness from the pot so that the pot will be very neat while I'm turning it. The potato fufu is ready. Look at the food. Tell me in the comment section if you'll be trying it. So yummy. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.